I was running so late that I didn't have time to fully get ready, so I need to put my earrings on real quick. Starting my Valentine's Day fits, so I have these cute little heart earrings. My sweet coworker just brought me cookies. She's the best. Got a chocolate mint, and this one's lemon. It looks so good. One of our teammates is out today, so we may have to split. I'm hoping we don't have to. It's probably gonna end up happening. It's gonna be a chaotic Monday, but we will get through. It's okay. I'm gonna try the lemon cookie right now. It's really good. Okay. Ow, that actually really hurt. That was lovely. I meant to order a new classroom doorbell on the weekend so I would have it for today, but I forgot. It's just not working anymore. Like, I don't think it's a battery issue because the remote lights up, but it's not ringing. So I think I need to get a new one. I just devoured this whole cookie. I hope you have a great Monday and a great week.